this type of sums, okay, that is sums based on this rule that we had done over here. So if you can see the summary that we had made over here, you can see clearly that now this is ratio of area of two triangles, okay. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equals to base 1 into height 1 base 2 into height 2. Then in case where the heights are equal, the ratio of both the triangles equals to the ratio of base of the first one to the base of the second one. Then the third case where bases are equal, it is equals to height 1 upon height 2. So based on this we had done few sums. I'm going to just do continue a few sums, okay. I told you I'll try the fifth sum and then I will do it for you all, okay. Okay, so we are going to do the fifth sum today, okay. Fifth sum from your practice set, okay. Fifth sum from your practice set I'm going to do now, okay. After that we are going to do a few problem set sums and a few sums from the sample question papers that are there on your website, board website, Maharashtra board website, okay. So then this is the type 1 and we finished. So this question is tackled very well, okay. That is based, so all the question based on the ratio of area of two triangles have been tackled well, okay. So you are done. If you do this much also, it will be more than enough, okay. That is in part 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3, okay. So let me continue now, okay. So in this figure you see, what have they told you? You have to find these, okay. Here just remember, this is a very important sum, kids. As you will see further, many even if you see many board questions, this has come, okay. So without much waiting much, we will start with the sum, okay. So here it is given that PQ is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, and you have to find the ratio of these, okay. So find, I have already written, okay. You can write given, I just don't have enough space, that's why. So solution. So in the solution, first I will tackle the first one, okay. First one is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC, okay. PBC, area of triangle PQB meaning this triangle and this triangle PBC, PQB. Now you can see this, it rests on this. So BQ is the base, PQ is the height. Then when we talk about PBC, BC is the base, again PQ will be the height, okay. So how do we write it? So both the triangles have the same height, so that will be, your answer will be PQ upon BC. Reason will be ratio of area of triangles with equal height, that is in this case PQ, okay. Let's move on to the second one. That's it. Now if they have not given value, do not worry, this is the answer that is required. Next, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Now it's not very difficult. PBC is the inside triangle, ABC is the outside triangle, okay. PBC, ABC. If you're having difficulty, draw it on the outside, okay. Draw somewhere on the outside. See this, I'll draw it, but you all don't do it in the book, okay. So see, PBC is here, draw like that and check PBC और ये बड़ा triangle हुआ PBC, ABC. I separated the triangles, PBC I've removed and ABC I've removed. PQ का height है, don't forget it, and AD is इसका height, okay. Now it's clear in this triangle. You see the base is different, no BC, base is same for both, but the height is different. PQ for this and AD for this. So PBC, BC is the base, common base, okay, but both have different heights. So what do? PBC upon ABC is nothing but PQ upon AD. What you will write? Ratio of area of triangles with equal base over here, okay, base, that is BC. This I have drawn only for understanding purpose, okay. You can draw the triangles also separately. Third one will be area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. ADC and ADC. Big triangle and the smaller triangle. See, here also you can see ABC and ADC. So here what do you understand? ABC, BC for base and AD for height. And ADC is DC for base and AD for height. So height is common. So you get your answer, that is BC upon DC. What you will write? Ratio of area of triangles with equal height, that is AD. Okay, try to write like this. Now for the last one, okay, try to squeeze in here. Area of triangle ADC and area of triangle PQC. See, this one and this one, both are separate only, even if you see in the figure. ये इधर है, ये इधर है. P, okay, PQC, PQC. See here, this one is here PQC and ADC. Nothing is overlapping. Chota part overlapping, but it is not the major part. DC is only a part of base of PQC, so it's not considered. This is another triangle altogether. PQC and ADC. See, PQC, ADC. So in this case, for ADC, base into height, base is DC into height is AD, and PQC, base is QC, height is PQ. This is ratio of area of triangles or two triangles, okay. So this is for your sum number 5. Now we move on to the problem set, where now here they are saying ratio of area of two triangles is 2:3. Then they say if the base of the smaller triangle is 6 cm, find base of the larger triangle. Now in such a case what happens, kids? You need to understand कि कौन सा base B1 मैंने कैसे लिया 6 cm. Reason being, area 1 is twice whatever multiple and area 2 is thrice multiple. So area 1 becomes small. तो base, अगर smaller triangle का base बोला है तो A1, B1 will 6 cm will belong to A1. Okay. Again, area 1 upon area 2 is 2/3. If they are telling that base of the smaller triangle is given, means since A1 is only twice a certain value, A1 to B 6 cm will nothing be B1 and A2 will be the bigger triangle. Okay. So let's see this sum. Okay. So given is A1 upon A2 is equals to 2/3. Your figure is not necessary. H1 is equals to H2 is equals to H. Okay. Then if B1 is 6 centimeters, find B2. So solution. So since height is given, they are saying height is equal. So given, first one you should say H1 is equals to H2 is equals to H, because they are saying height is equal, that is given. Second, what is given? A1 upon A2 is equals to 2 upon 3, that is also given. Okay, therefore third, A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2, ratio of area of triangles with equal height. Okay, therefore put the value. This was 2 upon 3, this is 6 centimeter, we don't know B2. In this case what you all will this just write given, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने इधर values डाले हैं. In this case cross multiply, 2 into B2 is equals to 6 into 3. Never directly multiply, keep them as it is till you don't cancel. B2 freeze, multiplication is going on over here between 2 and B2, so multiplication becomes division. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now you multiply, therefore B2 is equals to 3 threes are 9, not only 9, 9 centimeters. Now I will not be writing it, but answer right. Therefore the base of the greater triangle will be 9 centimeters. Please write it down. If you are aiming for full marks, such mistakes cost you half marks or cost you your marks. Okay, so let's continue. Now we are going to be doing the fourth sum. These are your problem set sums. Okay, these are your problem set sums. Now given AB is perpendicular to BC and DC is perpendicular to AB. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'm searching for the sum. Okay, just opening my textbook. Till that time you can draw the diagram. Okay, here. So in the figure 1.3, angle ABC is equals to angle DCB. Okay, AB is equals to 6 and DC is equals to 8. Find area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DCB. Now kids, when you see such a thing only, you should understand कि base equal है. Okay, and we'll have to find okay the ratio of the area of the two triangles. Okay, so let's find ratio of triangle ABC to the ratio of triangle DCB. Please avoid doing such no writing like me. Okay, so in this, ये जो 90 degree दिया गया है इधर, see it is just to confuse you. Do not get confused. Okay, I will tell you all why later. Solution, always write the given, but सिर्फ given लिखने से आपको marks नहीं मिलेंगे. Okay, first point, AB is equals to 6, DC is equals to 8. Given. Units in centimeters not given. Second, directly you can write the step. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. See, ABC DCB. This triangle and this other triangle, okay, is equal to DC is common, so it will be AB upon DC. This is ratio of area of triangles with equal base. Okay, therefore that is equals to 6 upon 8. Please simplify, don't keep it like that. 2 3s are 2 4s are. Okay, so therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is nothing but 3 upon 4. And box your answer. Okay, this you can mention given, because where did you put the values from otherwise? Okay, so very important, like that sums. Okay, just maintain, see how you all are doing it. Now we have question 5 also. It's a little different kind, but it is also based on this particular formula. Okay, or whatever we studied, this property. It's given in the figure 1.74 pm is equals to 10 centimeter. Area of triangle PQS is 100 square centimeter. Area of triangle QRS is equals to 110 square centimeter. Then find NR. We have to find NR. Okay, this is nothing but, again, see, these are two separate triangles, but the base is equal, QS. Okay, very clearly. So solution, first point, area of triangle PQS is equals to 100 square centimeter. Okay, area of triangle QRS is equals to 110 square centimeter, and PM is equals to 10 centimeter. Forget the writing, it is given. Second, now we are going to apply ratio of area of two triangles. So we'll see area. How do we understand that? Because कोई और method नहीं है ये find करने के लिए, ठीक है? Just think, these two triangles are given, area दिया है इनका, and one का height दिया है, तो दूसरा का height find करने के लिए यही formula use करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so we can just say, okay, area is given. We can say, okay, area is given. Okay, given. Height 1 is given. Height 2 is not given. Base 1 is equals to base 2 is equals to base, है क्या नहीं? तो ये सब दिया है. So from your given only you come to know कि which is the property you have to use. Try to picture it this way. Okay, that's why I am using this particular formula. Okay, or property. Area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS is equals to PQS. QRS is equals to PM upon NR. Okay, very clearly. Why? Ratio of area of triangles with equal base QS. Okay, equal base QS. Okay. Therefore, now we put the values. PQS is nothing but 100 upon 110 is equal to 10 upon NR. Such cases cross multiply. Given. Therefore, 100 into NR is equals to 100 into 110. Therefore, multiplication is going on. Freeze this value because we need to find the value of this. 10 upon 110. 10 into 110. Multiplication becomes division. 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, NR is equals to 11 centimeter. See, units are not given here, centimeter. So, NR is equals to 11. That's it. Okay. So, this is how you have to do. This I have just given you. Mind में अगर आप thinking करोगे कि property कौन सी use करनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Now, we'll just go on to doing say 2 sums from sample paper. Okay, so this is your sample paper which you will get on your website. Okay, so the link of the website is given below. Okay, or you can ping us and we will send you the PDF of the particular paper. Okay, so always these kind of questions appear in question 2B1. They are always for 2 marks. So these are 2 questions that I will be solving from your sample papers, board papers. Okay, so here in triangle, in the figure, CB is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB. You have to find area of, and this is given, AD is given and BC is given. You have to find ABC, area of triangle ABC upon ADB. This is one triangle, ratio of this upon this, very clearly seen. Okay, so we directly start, okay, with the solution. 1 second, huh? Okay, so solution. As I said, always start with the given. AD is equals to 8 units and BC is equals to 4 units. Given. Second, directly go to the question. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equals to ABC ADB. AB is the common base, so it will be BC upon AD. Reason, ratio of area of triangle with equal base AB. Put the values now, cannot leave it like that. BC is 4, AD is 8. 2, 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay, so that is 1 upon 2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is it. It's already done just for 2 marks. Okay, let's see the next one. As I told you, this is an important sum. It is based on your 5th example. So this is, let's do one more of the board questions. In this triangle, you can see PBC and you can say ABC and PBC. These are the 2 triangles. Okay, so PQB and ADB. These 2 triangles, they are overlapping. Okay, so I'll just mark it for you. First one we will do. So PQB, I'll mark PQB. So PQB is this. PQB is this triangle. Base, height. And the other triangle they have mentioned is ADB. ADB. So this is the triangle. Okay, so these are overlapping triangles. Okay, AD is a perpendicular to BC. So you can see height is different and base is also different. Let's write it down. Okay, PQB ADB. Solution. Area of triangle PQB. You can write this also given. I'm skipping now. Area of triangle ADB. PQB ADB. Okay, both are separate triangles. You don't have anything in common. So first one is QB into the height PQ upon BD into the height AD. Reason, ratio of area of triangles. That's it. Okay, therefore QB doesn't have any value, right, as it is. PQ is 4. BD, no value, right, BD as it is. And AD is 6. Okay, therefore area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle ADB. See my D written O, so please write properly. ADB is equals to 2 times QB upon 3 times BD. Okay, so that's done. So see what you saw, कि everything is not getting cancelled, 2 times QB, 3 times BD, it's okay, just do the sum according to, ऐसे भी आंसर हो सकता है, it's need not necessary कि हमेशा कोई रेशियो आए या like this you can proper individual, no, it can be like that also. Okay, so this is just to confuse you, then you might get scared, cancel the sum, nothing, just keep it as it is and do the sum. Next one, area of triangle PBC upon PBC, area of triangle ABC, not two separate triangles, this I have already shown you over here, same figure it is, PBC ABC. Now BC base is common, so it will be PQ upon AD, ratio of area of triangles with equal base BC. Therefore, that is equals to 4 upon 6. It's there in the given. I have not written in the first part, but you can write given also here. Make sure you all write it. Therefore, 2 2s are 2 3s are. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equals to 2 upon 3. And you are done with the sum. This is a 2-mark sum again, and it is that simple. So I hope you all understand and you all get it. And I'll see you all in the next part.
I hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So, ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So, help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, Everyone's Cup of Tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.